How to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, turn on or turn off Bluetooth. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on connected device. Click on connection preferences. Click on Bluetooth. Now here you will see Bluetooth button. And if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on Bluetooth from your phone. And if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Click on three dots more option, click on show system apps and search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth app, scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network setting and again click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.